Welcome to Thrive Apex today. We're exploring a quick NLP technique called matching and mirroring. This helps you build rapport and improve communication. What is matching and mirroring? Matching and mirroring means subtly copying the behavior of the person you're talking to. This includes their body language, tone of voice, and speech patterns. Example: let's say your friend is sitting with their arms crossed and speaking softly. You might also cross your arms and speak softly. You're not mimicking, just reflecting their behavior subtly. Why it works? This works because it makes the other person feel understood and in sync with you, building trust quickly. Practical tips. 1. Body language. If someone leans forward, you lean forward too. 2. Tone of voice. Match their pace and tone. 3. Words. Use similar language they use. Try matching and mirroring in your next conversation and notice the difference. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.